To rename this workspace, click the three-dot menu next to Workspaces, then Edit Workspace, Rename Workspace. And I'll type Medics Media so that we can begin our real-world example. This workspace is special. It's called the main workspace, and it can't be deleted. So if you only want one workspace, we'll edit this main workspace to end up with the cleanest possible setup. Let's open the menu and click Manage Workspace. Here, we can also add a description if we'd like. So I'll click to edit, and I'll add tracking work for the Medics Media YouTube channel. If we click here, we can also change the icon and background color. I'll change this to deeper red, and I'll keep the M. If you want to set these up for multiple departments, you may want to add more workspaces. To add a new workspace, let's open the menu and click Add New Workspace. Our workspace icon will change, but we can further customize it by clicking on this icon. Unless we're on an enterprise plan, all new workspaces will be open to all team members, and I'll click Add Workspace. If we click on this drop-down menu here, you can see how to navigate between workspaces. And in this video, we're going to continue to modify this main workspace. So let's go over here, switch to New Workspace, then the three-dot menu, and click Delete Workspace. We get a notification that it's been successfully deleted, and we can always go back to the menu, and we can view our archive and trash from here. Let's click Trash, and we'll see that our new workspace is in the trash. If we go over to this action menu, we can see that we have the options to restore or delete permanently.